How to solve math problem using Gauth. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily do it. First of all, open the application. So I'm in my home page. Basically, this is the place where you can find different answers to your questions. Here, this is the camera section. Here, simply tap on math first. So in your case, it might be in a different position. So you must search it and simply tap on math. So this is the camera that we're in. Now simply place the camera to the question that you're looking for. So here I'm placing it, and after doing this, simply click the picture or the question. Now after doing this, here on the bottom, tap on this tick button. Now Gauth AI will automatically find the answer to your question, and it's done. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.